Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, I'm April. I'm a skincare and cosmetic chemist, and I talk about all things skincare, back end, front end of all things skincare. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that like button for me down below. Subscribe to the channel because we're here every week, every single week, talking about skincare. You guys, I'm so freaking late to this game. Like, why am I just not making this video? I feel like every freaking skincare influencer, skincare creator, skincare professional has already made this video, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. So you guys, slugging.
Slugging is the K-beauty skincare trend going viral on TikTok.
It's the it girl right now, okay? If slugging is she's having her moment, her reign is not letting up. It's literally all over TikTok, all over every skincare. If you're a skincare person and you haven't talked about slugging or made a video on slugging or even tried slugging, you're missing out. But today we're gonna talk about all about slugging. We're gonna talk about even lip slugging, which I personally love, and just slugging in general. So yeah, let's just get into it. So slugging is a method of using a petroleum products, so like vitamin C, AQUAPHOR. Those are occlusive ingredients that basically trap moisture in your skin. Slugging is really popular among people with dry skin because your skin tends to not retain moisture. So this is like a way to kind of compensate for their skin not being able to retain moisture. Now, can you slug if you have oily skin? It's like the looming question that everyone has. If you have oily, acne prone skin, I would honestly stay away from slugging. Just be aware that if you're acne prone, that your acne might be exasperated, because what happens when you slug and you put Vaseline on top of your already oily and acne prone skin is your skin is sensitized, and then you're also like trapping, when you go to bed, you're trapping sweat and transepidermal water loss, so that water that's leaving your skin is trapped underneath there, and sebum and all that stuff is trapped under the moisture, and what happens is you break out and it just makes your acne worse. So I would honestly try to stay away from slugging. As someone with, like, if you have oily skin, I would maybe use like a light oil with like a low molecular weight, but I would stay away from using like a heavy occlusive like petroleum. Slugging is really great for those that it works for. I love it on the lips because I use it. I put my lip products, so like my lip balm, and then I go ahead and put the Vaseline. But your lips have thicker skin cells where it can take it, as well as your body cells, but the skin on your face is really thin where it gets, products just could easily irritate that part of your skin. So it's really important to know this. But yeah, I hope this answers your question. I really wanted to touch base on what slugging is and who's for and who it's ideal for. Now, if you use it, because I know y'all girls like to tussle. If you use it and you have oily skin and it works for you, honey, by all means keep using it. Who am I to tell you not to use it? But if you use it and it's not working and you're like, why am I breaking out? Why is this happening? This is your sign to stop it right now. Okay, all right, you guys, I hope this video helps. It's a really quick video to explain slugging and just talk about what it is and who should use it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, we're gonna have a giveaway, so make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll pick a winner at random and I'll send you a gift as a thank you for watching the video today, and as well as check out my other videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
It's hard for me to say.